Okay. Okay. Ikaranta done. Go to the Panchami Vibhakti. What is Panchami? Ramat is Panchami. Ramat from Rama. What if it is from Sita?
Isn't it more similar to like Hariyai, Harao?
Hariyai Ikaranta will be like similar. Like we can't compare every Shabda, but somewhere some similarities will be seen. Hariyai,
Hari,
Harina,
Harayo.
Haraye it is. Haraye, Rama, like Gauriyai. So
Yeah.
don't compare this Pumlinga and Strilinga. It is individually practiced. Together,
Does he?
Strilinga you will find similarities. In Pumlinga you might find similarities. So don't get confused bringing the Pumlinga to the Strilinga.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. Like, this is so different.
Okay. So now what if from Rama is Ramat? What is from Sita?
There is no the in this.
Sitayaha.
Sitayah. Okay. If it is from Rama,
Ramayaha.
that's it. If it is from Ganga,
Gangayaha.
okay. If it is with from Nadi,
Nadya.
Yeah.
Nadya. If it is Shravanti,
Sarantya.
Shravantyah. Saraswati,
Saraswatya.
Saraswatyah. That's it. So remember that. Tyah in Strilinga. Okay. Of Rama belongs to Rama is Ramasya. What it is belong to Sita?
Sitayaha.
Same as Panchami Bhakti. Sitayah. If it is belong to Ganga,
Gangayaha.
Gangaya.
Ganga, yeah. If it is Shravanti, belong to Shravanti,
Yeah.
Yaha.
Shravantyah. That's it. Okay, if it is in Rama, there are many great qualities in Rama is Rame. Okay. If there are many great qualities in Sita, what it will be?
Sitayam.
So we need to understand Sita Yam. If it is Trilinga, Saptami Bhakti Yam. Sita Yam Bahugunaha. Sita Yam Saundaryam. There is a coldness in Ganga river. What we should tell?
Gangayam
Huh.
Shitalam.
Sheetalam,
Sheetalam.
super Ganga, Yam Sheetalam. If there is a hut in Ganga river, actually hut is called as Ghoshaha.
Kosha.
If it is hut in Ganga river, we call it as
Gangayam.
Gangayam Gosha.
Ghoshaha. Very good. If there is a dosham, like problem in Sita, what we can call it as?
Sitayam dosham.
Sitayam Doshaha. If there is punyam in Sita,
Sitayam punyam.
see, if there is knowledge in Sita,
Sitayam
Jnanam.
Jnanam.
Sitayam Jnanam. Fantastic. Okay. If there is knowledge in Vishnu, Vishnu.
Vishnu Jnanam. Well, no. Vishnu.
Then you go to the Saptami Vibhakti of Vishnu Shabda. Ukaranta Pumlinga Vishnu Shabda will be like Guru Shabda.
Yeah. Vishnu. Guru.
Vishnu. Very good. Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu. So there is knowledge in Vishnu.
Vishnu Jnanam.
Very good. If there is knowledge in teacher,
Guru Gnanam.
jnanam.
Guru Jnanam, that's it. If it is knowledge in Hari,
Harayam
Harau
jnanam.
Jnanam.
if there is dosham in Hari,
Harau Dosham.
that's it. So if you know the vibhaktis of Ekavachanam, almost is fine. If you need to convert it into the Ekavachanam to the Bahuvachanam, then you need the Bahuvachanam set also. Generally, we will be sticking to the Ekavachanam in all the sentences and discussions. But we should have knowledge of what will be if it is plural, what will be if it is dual. So we need to understand. That's why we are just trained with the Shabdas. But Akaranta Pumlinga Shabdas all will be, Shyamji told, like we are getting confusion in Pumlinga and Strilinga. So don't compare it. Study individually. All Akaranta, thousands of Shabdas will be like Rama Shabda Pumlinga. Ikaranta Pumlinga Shabdas will be all like Hari Shabda. Ukaranta Pumlinga Shabdas will be all like Guru Shabda. Rukaranta will be like Pitru Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Shabdas, any number of Akaranta Strilingas will be like Rama Shabda. So don't compare Akaranta to the Ikaranta. But Akaranta itself, there are many thousands of words. Ikaranta itself, there are thousands of words. So if you learn Rama Shabda, thousands of Akaranta Strilinga Shabdas are similar. But Pumlinga, Strilinga, don't compare this. So, like we should have sets. We should learn individually. Okay. So now today I wanted to tell you a very interesting topic called
Yes,
Upasarga.
Master, I joined in a little bit late.
Okay.
In the morning, there was a good sloka sent by one of the classmates.
Okay.
In that, the last one, Renu Bhi,
Ah.
is that Renu Bhi is Napunsaka or Strilinga?
Renu.
Renu.
What is Renu Shabda?
Renu is a dhuli, a small particle.
Small particle. How can we tell it as Renu Shabda? Try. Renuhu, Renu, Renavaha
Mhm.
is Pumlinga. Okay.
Okay.
Renuhu, Renu, Renavaha. He Renu, like Guru Shabda. Okay. What is the shloka? I did not see that. Nirapeksham Munim Shantam, Nirvairam Samadarshanam, Anuvrajam Yaham Nityam, Puyayet Angri Renubhihi. What is Renubhihi? It is looking like Renubhihi.
Third vibhakti, plural.
Tritiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. It is Gurubhihi. It is like Gurubhihi, so it is Pumlinga. Angri is a feet. Angri Renubhihi, with the particles of feet. Why we are touching the feet of Guru? At least the particles of his feet just gives us knowledge. Why we touch the feet of God? At least such a great person's particles of the feet is also great. So knowledge. Punyam.
So the subsequent word,
Pardon?
it follows the principle of the preceding word. If it is a Pullinga, then this also should be pulling.
Angri Renu, you can do that. Sometimes in Samasa, sometimes the previous word may be Strilinga, but we should find out the ending what it is. Ending is most important in Sanskrit. Angri Renubhi. Like Shiva Parvati. What is Parvati Shabda? Strilinga.
Still,
Shiva Shabda? Pumlinga. But Vibhakti should be observed for which Shabda? Which like Strilinga Shabda only. Whatever is ending, the Vibhakti belong to that. Okay. So today we are going to learn Upasargas. Do you ever heard of Upasarga, Swami? What is Upasarga?
yeah, it told us prefixes, right?
It's a prefixes. So the change which we bring before the word is called as Upasarga. Okay. Upasarga. It comes only beginning of the word. It comes to the nouns or dhatus, Swami? It comes to the nouns or the actions?
Should be action.
For actions, yes. It will be for the actions. Upasarga will be before the dhatu. There's a beautiful shloka for it. Can anyone read this? Is it visible?
Upasargena
Dhatvardho.
baladanyatra niyate
Very good.
prahara hara samhara vihara pariharavat.
Well, super. Very good. Now repeat everyone. Upasargena dhatvardho.
Kena dhatvardho
Palat anyatra niyate.
Palat anyatra niyate
Praharahara samhara.
Hara samhara
Vihara pariharavat.
Prihara
Vat. What is vat? I told you what is vat.
In this manner.
Like Rama vat, like Rama. Krishna vat, like Krishna. Okay. Upasargena. What is upasargena? It is in which vibhakti? Which vachanam? Upasargena.
Third vibhakti.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya.
Okay, it is looking like.
Ramena.
Very good, Ramana.
Ramena.
Okay, what is dhatvardho?
Meaning of
Okay.
I told you what is okara in the ending of the word. If there is okara in the ending of the word, it may be visarga. So now what? How can you read it? Dhatvarthaha. Okay. So upasargena dhatu arthaha. What is dhatu arthaha? Dhatoho arthaha. Meaning of the root. Meaning of the dhatu. Upasargena. What is upasargena in English?
X.
By upasarga or with upasarga. Dhatvarthaha. Meaning of the root. Balat. What is balat?
Strength.
Strongly. Anyatra niyate. What is niyate?
Rules.
Carried.
Rules or will take us to the other place. Anyatra. What is anyatra? You know anyatra, na? Ekatra?
Somewhere else.
Somewhere else. Very good. Upasargena dhatu arthaha balat anyatra niyate. The meaning of the root will take us to some other place with the association of upasarga. For example, he told me, he gave us example like prahara, hara, samhara, vihara, parihara. But let me explain what it is. Okay. Able to see, Swami? Able to see the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there is a dhatu called har. Har dhatu. Har harye. Harana. Okay. This dhatu led us to some other place. Har is wearing. Okay. Prahara. The first word is prahara. What is prahara?
Hitting.
To hitting. Next one is ahara. What is ahara?
Food.
Having. Okay. Having. Samhara.
Kill.
Samhara, kill. Prahara. Prahara is not eating, like just thrashing, like doing like this. Okay. Prahara, ahara, samhara. Next one. Vihara. What is vihara?
Going for a picnic?
Wandering.
Enjoying. Viharing, moving.
Yeah.
Moving with happiness. Vihara. Parihara. What is parihara?
Punishment or the
No.
Pariharam. Fine.
Fine.
Okay. So hara, har dhatu, only one dhatu. Prahara, we are getting one meaning. Ahara, we are getting one meaning. Samhara, we are getting another meaning. Vihara, we are getting another meaning. Parihara, we are getting another meaning. So the upasarga will change the situation, change the meaning of the dhatu.
Completely.
Completely. So bala, that's what anyatra niyate, not in this area at all. It just moves us to another area.
That was my question. I think this explains why the bala is actually not required if we want to just say anyatra, but when you add bala, it completely changes the meaning.
Completely changes. So that's what, if we learn how many upasargas are there, we have 22 upasargas are there. We have 22. So if you understand these 22, whatever the dhatu might be, it is easy for us to understand what is happening. Okay. So in Vyakarana, Panini's Vyakarana, it was clearly told like pra para pa parisam anuvava nisnirdus durviyangni adhi ati prati ut pratisu api upa ete upasargaha, very clearly. These are upasargas. So it's in one sentence. So what are they? First one is pra. Repeat after me. Pra. Pra. Okay. Do you ever heard a word with starting with pra?
Pravina.
Pravina.
Pralaya.
Nakara.
Pralaya.
Prahara.
Prahara.
Prakara.
prakara,
Prarthana.
prarthana,
Prashanti.
prashanti. So all these words start with pra. Okay, what is the meaning of pra? Here we have pra. The meaning of pra is, able to see, Swami? Did you see? Okay, I'm just sharing.
No, we can't see.
Nah. What is pra?
Oh, before.
Before, forward, forth.
Fourth, onward. Fourth. So this is pra. This one. Okay, before. Praveena. What is Praveena? Prakrishta. Veena vadane. Prakrishta Praveena. She is expert in playing Veena is Praveena. If a girl don't know how to play Veena, she is not Praveena.
But that's used in general too, right? Praveena
We
is-
made it general. We made the word general, so we are naming it. Generally, the original meaning of the word Praveena is person who can play Veena in a high level, extremely.
I see.
Or pra.
Another word that uses pravinyata.
But that is what the meaning, the essence of that Praveena is Pravinyata. He got expertise in speaking as a person who can play Veena. A person who got expertise in oration skills as a person is expert in Veena is called as Pravinyata. He is talking like an expert as a person who can play Veena well. Gana Pravinyam. Vak Pravinyam. Karya Pravinyam. We made it an adjective. Pravinyam is an adjective. We bought that specialty to here and we are applying it in our other concepts. And Prakriti, what is Prakriti?
Nature.
What is Kriti?
Doing,
Prakriti?
not doing.
Hey, Prakriti. Prakrishtena Kriti. Did previously. It is the first creation. Na? Kriti is a doing. Prakriti, the first doing, before doing. The work which was done previously is called as Prakriti.
Wow.
A person's nature. So that is the first thing. That's the core thing. Okay. So that is pra. There are 22 like that. So we'll come from the beginning in alphabetical order. Upasarga. The first one is ati. Ati.
Means too much.
There is beyond, over, across, pass, surpassing, to excess. These are the meanings.
We know
Okay.
many.
Ati sarvatra varjayet. Fantastic. Tell me something. Word dhatu with ati.
Ativa.
Ativamu is excess. Very good. There is a disease called Atisara Vyadhi. Do you ever heard of?
Yes.
What is Atisaram? This excessive, it's a excessive, what we can say, liquid coming out of a body is called as Atisara Vyadhi. Okay, Ati is over. More, any other words of Ati?
Ativrushti.
Ati Vrishti, very good. What is Vrishti?
Rain.
Rainfall. Vrishti is rainfall. Ati Vrishti?
Excessive
rainfall. Very good. Another word for Ati?
Atyavasara.
Atyavasaram. Very good. What is Atyavasaram?
Essential.
Hurrying.
Essential.
More emergency, na? Like
Very essential.
very essential is Atyavasaram. Fantastic. Another word for Ati?
Ati Vinayam.
Okay, Ati Vinayam.
Atyasa.
Atyasha. Very good. Having Asha is fine. Having Atyasha, like excessive desire. Very good. Next one. Ati.
Ati pibatam.
Ati
I don't know.
Pipasa.
Vipasa.
Pipasa is like thirst, na? Ati Pipasa.
Hmm.
Ati Pipasa. Over. Very good. Like Ati. One more last word for Ati.
Atyasa.
Atibhajanam.
Atyasa.
Atyasha done. Next one.
Atibhajanam.
Ati bhojanam. Okay, we can tell it, but it is not a word. Next one. We are adding this ati to the shabda. Atikriya.
Tikramana.
Atikramana. Very good. Very good. Atikramana. So these are all comes from ati. Ati plus kramana is atikramana. Fantastic. Next one. Adhi.
Adhikaram.
Adhikaram. Very good. What is adhikaram? Over, above, upon, on, onto. These are the meanings. Over, like above the thing. Adhikaram or adhikarana. Fantastic. Next one.
Adhyapak.
Adhyapana. Adhyapana. Very good. Next one.
Adhirohana.
Adhirohana. Mounting on something. Adhirohana. Fantastic. Next one.
Adhigacchati.
Okay. Adhigachati.
Yeah.
Moving above. Very good. Next one.
Rohan. He's done.
Mata.
You already told that. Adhirohan.
Adhivasaha. Adhivasaha.
Staying over.
Staying above. Adhivasaha.
Adhikrata.
Adhikrita, adhikarana, same. Adhikru dhatu. We are using the same dhatu. Na? Adhikru karana. Okay. Okay. Next one is anu. Anu is followed. Next to. After, along, like, towards, following is anu. We know many words with anu.
Anushasanam.
Very good. Anushasanam. What is anushasanam?
Rule like a or
Following the rule. Following the
following
authority.
the rule.
Shasanam is a command. Anushasanam, following the command.
Anuchitam.
Oh, very good. Super. You know what you are telling? That is uchitam. That is not anu.
Oh,
Okay, but it's a good word. We'll read it later in few next immediately. What is
So-
anu? Anusarana.
Anusarana, Anukarana.
Anusarana, anukarana, anugana. What is anugana?
Following the
Following the like chorus.
yeah.
Anubandha.
Chorus people will sing same. No? That is chorus. Okay. Next.
Anuradha. Is it following
Anuradha.
Radha?
Fantastic. What is ragam?
Anuswara.
Anuswara. Very good. Anuswara. Okay. Anuswara. Fantastic. Okay. Anuragam. What is anuragam? What is ragam?
Feeling?
There are two meanings in it. Ragam is a color. Okay. Ragam is love. Okay. Anuragam followed
Anubandham.
by the love.
The word Anubandham.
Bandham. Yes. What is anubandham? Followed by the bandham. Why we are so emotional towards our children? Because there is a bond, a thread, which is not seen, but it is emotionally connected. So that's why if something we hear about our children, we'll be little emotional because of that anubandham. Bandhana, followed by the bandhana. Anubandham. Very good. Next one. Anubhuti.
Anugraham.
Anugraham. Very good. Anubhuti.
Anubhuti.
Very
Yes.
good.
Anubhavam.
Anubhavam. Fantastic. So these are all anu related. Anu is a upasarga.
How about this Anunityam?
Anunityam every time, like followed every situation. Anunityam. Anveshana. Anu plus Eshana. Eshana is interest. Anveshana, searching with interest. Anvardham, followed by the meaning. Anvardham, there is something which follows the meaning. That is Anvardham. Okay, so Anu. Yeah, Swami.
No, it's okay. I was going to say Anupeksha, but I don't know if it's there.
Upeksha, Anu, Upa, Iksha. We are using two upasargas here. We can use it. Anu, Upa, Iksha is Anupeksha.
Anu Ayudham also.
Okay,
comes,
so
Anu
that is different. That is not Anu. That is
Atom
Anu.
bomb.
Anu. Murdanya
Anu.
Nakara. This is micro. Anu Ayudha. That is Anu is different. This is Anu.
Anu.
This is Upasarga. Next one. Apa.
Apaharana.
Very good. Apa is away, taking off, like moving away from us. Like apaharana, like stealing.
Pakaram.
Apakaram, very good. Doing something harm which is not like apaha. Very good. Apakaram. More.
Is apayam from this or
Very
no?
good. Apayam. Very good. Next one. Aya is getting something. Apayam, which is not good, coming towards is called as danger. No? Okay. Coming from fifth case. Whichever goes from us is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Whichever comes towards us is Panchami Vibhakti. Na? From Apakaram. Okay. Apaharana. Very good. Next one.
Apardham.
Apaya. Apardham. Fantastic. Which is not
अपघात
apardham. People misunderstanding us. I told in a right way, but people mistook it in a different way. Like apartha.
Apashakanam.
Very good.
Apashakanam.
Apashakunam. Very good. Shakunam is generally a right thing, like indication. Shakunam is indication. Shubha Shakunam is good indication. Apashakunam, wrong indication. Very good. Next one.
Aparajita.
Aparajita. Very good. Parajita.
Apardham.
Aparajita.
Apardham.
That is different. Okay. Apardham done. Na? Rajita is glowing. Aparajita, non-glowing. Person who is victorious will be grown. He'll be on the shoulders of the people. Who is failed, who is defeated, he is not on the shoulders of people. He'll be on the ground. So he is not Rajita. That is why Rajita, Aparajita. Okay. Next. Api.
Also, I guess. Right?
Api, aham api gacchami. Even I am going. Api pibami. Even I am drinking. Saha api gacchati. Even he is going. Api. Generally we use it. Abhi.
Abhimatam.
Abhimatam. Fantastic. What is abhimatam?
Going towards that.
Mind.
So we
Mind.
can make it a good word called close to. Okay. It is a meaning close to. Abhimatam. My opinion is close to that.
Yeah. Abhimatam, Abhimanam, Abhishekam.
Abhimanam. Close to the character. Abhishekam. On the doing something which is filled with. Abhisekam. Sekam is tadapatam. Like dipping it in water. Next one.
Abhinayam.
Abhinayam. Very good. Taking something to feel like, yeah, it is true. Next.
Vilasha.
Abhilasha. Very good.
Abhiruchi.
Abhiruchi. Very good. What is ruchi?
Taste.
Yes.
Taste. Abhiruchi. What is taste? Abhiruchi. Taste is not only simple, which is restricted to the tongue, but it is restricted to the
Sense.
opinion, like desirable things. Abhiruchi is interest.
Vipraya.
Interest. Very good. Close to the abhiruchi. Close to taste. Mama abhiruchi sangite vartate. Abhiruchi is which is close interest, close to the interest. Next.
A word abhiprayam.
Abhiprayam. Praya. Abhipraya. My opinion, like abhi deggaraga unna close, praya previous idea.
Abhishtam.
Ishtam. Ishtam abhi is very close to my ishtam.
But what are the words which come with against and opposite then?
Very rare, Swami, but that's what somewhere I found it. But this is close to and completely.
yeah.
Close to
Yeah.
and completely is the both two words. And today morning I saw something. There is a saying Sanskrit translation and Sanskrit original. Sanskrit original is horse. It seems Sanskrit translation is what you can say, donkey. So sometimes we can't say the exact word, exact meaning. So different people told different words and meanings in their perception. But
How about
according to my mind is
Abhyartham?
concerned, close to and completely is Abhi.
Abhyartham?
Abhyardhana. Abhi, Ardhana. Ardha means praying. Abhyardhana is almost like praying you.
Okay.
Application, na? It is almost like with a requisition.
And Abhyantaram,
Abhi antaram, abhi close to the difference. There are two things between, there is a gap. This is gap which is almost close, but there is a difference in it.
Can it be against also if it's Abhyartham?
Sometimes abhyantaram, yeah, it is,
Abhyantaram.
sometimes it is abhyantara. Because there is a gap between two, we call it the gap is called as abhyantara. There is a space between two walls is abhyantara. And the other thing is, there is another word called abhyantara. General word abhyantaram is fine. Abhyantaram is another thing. We'll just talk it later. Next one. Ava.
Avahelana.
Very good. Avahelana. Ava is generally criticizing, critically talking about. Like Avahelana. Helana is just to make funny. Avahelana is to make funny, like criticizing, like
Bad way.
in a wrong way. Next one. Avahelana, very good.
Avapnoti.
Ava apnodi, fantastic. Apnodi, what is apnodi?
Like you.
Self.
Getting. Avapnodi is getting it completely.
Avadhuta is.
Avadhuta, yeah, that is also fine, but that is great.
No.
Avatara.
Avatara, very good.
Avakasham?
a different
Avakasha, very good. Next one. Avagahana.
Avashyam.
Avagahana, understanding it completely. Avasya is avasya. Vasya dhatu. Avasya, that is different. Okay. So ava is something which is either getting it completely. Avakasha, got something. Ava. Next, Ava. Where is Ava? Yeah. There is a sutra called Ang Maryada Abhividhyo. Maryada Abhividhi. What is Maryada? You ever heard the word Maryada?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is Maryada?
Manners.
Maryada Purushudu.
What is Maryada?
Uttamamayinadi.
Respect.
Maryada means boundary. Okay. Maryada means boundary. Person who knows his boundaries is called as Maryada Purushottama. Person who maintains boundaries, even we will be little controlled when we go to others. When we are talking to others, we'll talk to them freely? No. According to the position, according to the respect maintained by him, according to the situations, we'll maintain our distance. No? Person who maintains, that is Maryada. Maryada is, first thing is boundary. That is respect. It is his respective place. It is his respective parameter.
The due respect, I guess.
That is called as Maryada.
Especially during the wedding days, they didn't do Maryada.
Amaryada.
Boy side complains about the Maryada to the
that is different thing. We can call it as Avahelana concept actually. They wanted always, groom people will always try to complain about brimes. This is not good. That is not good. We did not get Maryada. So Maryada is respect, appreciation. We should always appreciate people for their satisfaction. They did not satisfy us. It's a complaint concept.
Yeah.
Here, Maryada is actually person who maintains a respect. There is a teacher whose Maryada is coming in time, going on time, talking to people on particular perception and just clarifying doubts. He'll be always respected. No? Okay, when God's place, sometimes if you go to any Vaishnava temple, there is a Maryada. You should not go above this line, ahead this line. You should stop there. And we have some maryada in railway stations, airports, everywhere. That is respect. So give respect to others. So there is maryada, like boundary. There is a boundary for our behavior.
So this
So-
ah is ah or is it ah? Just
Dirgha,
ah.
ah,
Ah.
ang maryada. Like, do you ever heard a word called abalyam?
Yeah.
From the balyam is abalyam.
Hmm.
Abhividhi.
Oh.
Maryada is respect. Abhividhi, giving all experience to something, like all time, like long time concept given to something. Abalyam. Abalyam from the balyam.
Akruti.
Akriti. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Akriti.
Acharyam.
Acharya. Very good. Super. Very good, Swami.
So, but where is in the Maryada, or it's not different? It's not
The
the use
meaning
there.
of Maryada is, there are two things. That's what I told you, Swami. He got lot of experience. How to tell that? He got long experience and he got long time of journey. Like that experience gives you Maryada. Okay. And Abhividhi, giving something great thing to someone is Abhividhi. Acharya. Why are you giving the most respect to your teachers? Because he got something more higher than thing whatever we require, whatever we are interested in. Great things. So that is Abhividhi. Maryada and Abhividhi, there are both things. Meanings. Dirgha akara has two meanings. That is Maryada and Abhividhi. Okay. Abalyam.
Adarsham.
Adarsham, very good, super. Adarsham. What is Adarsham? Actually, it is mirror. In noun, it is mirror. Adarsham, which will show you the exact thing, is called as Adarsha.
Like a model. Yeah.
He's okay. Inspiration, one thing again. He can show you the long path. His right path is Adarsha.
Aharam is it same thing?
Like
or-
Ahara, fantastic. Haram, which is to be accepted. Aharam, which is to be accepted with respect.
Oh, I see.
Generally, we'll have food like that only. While moving, we eat. While walking, we eat. We'll get something, we'll just eat and throw away. But in our Vedic times, it was told us annam nanindya tadvratam. You should not give irrespect to food. It should be respected. It should be worshipped and have it because it is the base of survival.
Is Avedana is same thing?
Yeah, Avedana, fantastic. Vedana is pain. Avedana, person is surrounded or fully dipped in the ocean of pain.
Akruti.
Akriti, kriti is work. Akriti has a good structure, Maryada.
Hmm.
It's a
What,
perfect structure,
Alingana?
Akriti.
Yeah.
Alingana.
Lingana, lingam means shariram. Angam. So Linganam,
Alochana.
Linganam, making someone into making them Linganam. Just hugging.
Alochana Swami.
Lochana is vision. Lochana, looking at every side, among all the boundaries. So looking everywhere. According to, like, there is a thought, it has 360 degrees angle, it's called as Alochana, Maryada.
So why is it in the parenthesis you wrote reversing?
Which one?
You wrote reversing, what does it mean?
It's just return. Somewhere some words will come in this meaning, might be with some context. I'll just try to give you the
You
example.
reverse the meaning of it or no?
Vyatirekata. No, it's not. It's a context. It is also a context of telling that word.
Avesham, how is it called? Avesham is a reverse, right?
Plus wish. Avesham. When we get avesham, if it feels in body, like we don't know what we do, na?
Yeah, negative.
Avesham. We will be in other structure, we'll be in other form. Completely. We'll change ourselves. You are changed.
Now,
My
this,
son asked, generally children ask. Swami?
Is upasarga, but also there is an independent word, isn't it? Without being an upasarga.
Is a negative word, na? Vyatirekata.
Okay.
Vyatirekam, na? No, not dirgha akara.
Yeah.
No, Swami. Only upasarga it is.
Is it? Okay.
That's upasarga.
Akrandana.
Okay, Krandana. Krandana is shouting. Krandana, shouting loudly.
Abharanam will also be like
Okay,
this.
Bharana, bearable. Abharana.
Wearing
Bharana is bearing something. Abharana, bearing with respect. Okay. This is Ut. What is Ut?
Udaharana.
Ut.
Utkrishta.
Oh, Utkrishta, very good. Utthana, getting up. Getting up.
Utsava.
Utthana.
Utsava, is that part of this or no?
Utsava, very good. Something held in highest priority.
Uttishta.
Uttishta, Tishta is standing. Uttishta, getting up. Unnayana. Nayana is taking a Unnayana, taking in a highway. Okay. Upa. And the next one is Upa.
Upaharam.
Very good. Upaharam. What is Upa? Close. Upavasa. Staying close to the day. Upavasam. Generally, we know Upavasam is having
Fasting.
without food. It becomes
Acharya,
like it becomes a statement that Upavasam is person saying having no food is Upavasa. No. Upa is saying close to the people.
Acharya, one somewhere I had read, in the sentence starting with the word a baho kalat pravartate esha eva stitihi.
That is
Yeah.
once again a
baho.
that is actually I'll tell you. That is that is an expression. That is not a word. Bahukala darshanam.
But there is no visarga, just written yeah.
That it was written because of it is in a sentence. Maybe they might missed it. That is that is not that is It's an expression, na? In English also generally we say, hey, how are you, man? That's an expression. In Sanskrit, in dramas, in Bharavi, in Bhasa Nataka Chakras, sorry, Bhasa Nataka Chakram, there are many situations where you can see this. Rakshasas will call. Ghatotkacha once went to Duryodhana's royal court and just told everyone like, kimetat. What is this? Kimetat. It's an expression. That's not a word.
Yeah. So when I read this, I did not understand the meaning. So I looked up the dictionary, and dictionary has given meaning as from or up to for the word.
That is actually maybe they give the meaning of upasarga might be.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, is an expression. In dramas, generally in drama, we don't talk like this. We have more expressions in it. So Ghatotkacha went and like the Ghatotkacha is a son of Bhima. He went to the Pedanana's house, like all Duryodhana, Dushyasana, Bhishma, and Drona, and what you can say, Dhritarashtra. Many people are just mounting good thrones. He went there to just do Rayabara, just control the war, stop the war, don't do it. But they are not listening. You are a small kid. What are you? Then he told, Uttishtata Puman Kaschit Rantumichedi Yamalayam. I want you people, anybody who is a man, just get up and just come to me to fight. I'll send them to the Yamalaya, Naraka for freely, easily. Yeah. He's talking to his fathers. Dashtoshto, Mushti Mudyam. Nowadays, mass movies, in every mass movie we see, all heroes will be pressing their lower lip. Pressing their lower lip with the teeth and just shows their fist. So these are mass concepts. It was there in our Bhasa Nataka Chakra. BC. Bhasa was a BC poet. He told like Ghatotkacha is telling to his fathers, Dashtoshto, I'll be standing here, just pressing the lower lip. Mushti Mudyamya, I'll just take my fist. Tishthat Yesha Ghatotkacha. This Ghatotkacha will stand here only, comfortably. Uttishtatu Puman Kaschid. Is there any man? Get up. Rantumicheti Yamalayam. Who want to go to hell, just come forward, I'll send them there. It's like mass dialogue of Ghatotkacha. Then before the shloka, he tell, kimetat dashtoshto mushtimudyamya tishtat yesha Ghatotkacha uttishthat upaman kaschit rantumichet yamalayam. So before that angry expression, he told like, kimetat, what is this? That's an expression.
Angry young man.
Angry man, young man, okay.
Amitabh Bachchan.
When angry possess the body, everyone becomes young. Okay. So, upa is almost staying close to. Upavasam, upaharam, upadhyaksha. Who is upadhyaksha?
Vice
Who is close to Adhyaksha?
Who is close to adhyaksha is upadhyaksha. Very good. Very good. Who is upadhyaksha for America?
President.
It is still Mike Pence.
Adhyaksha is also Mike Pence now.
Okay. Next one is dur. Dus. Both are dus, dur. Both are negative words.
Duryodhana.
Very good.
Dushasana.
Duryodhana.
Dushasana.
Yodha. Yodha is a very fierce fight, like valorful person. Duryodhana, who got more excited towards victory. A person who was too extreme in his attitude, you can't touch him. Like I see someone in a movie, like one of a person, a small employee came and just gave shake hand to the person, to the boss. He just hit him and just took some sanitizer and washed his hands. That is, he's so extreme in his feel like I got a lot of success, I got everything, highest thing. All other people are lower than me, waste than me. So it is called Duryodhana Alochana. My guru, my teacher used to tell why Duryodhana was failed in winning a battle because of his Duryodhanatvam. He don't want other people to get succeed. Only he wanted to win. That's why he failed.
Yeah, it's
That's like
interesting. Why would anybody want to name Duryodhana? Or is it just a character?
That's why character names, negative character names are not Ravana. Do you ever heard a word called name called Ravana? Ravana Sharma, Ravana Shastri, Ravana Reddy, Ravan Patel. I did not see any negative words. Once I heard when I went to North India, I saw I just talked to a girl called Shurpanakha. I felt wonderful. What is this? Okay. Duryodhana. Another one. Durvasa.
Durvasana.
What is Durvasana?
Durmarga.
Durmarga. Fantastic.
Duralochana.
Fantastic. Duralochana. Very good. Next one.
Vasana.
Durasha. Fantastic.
No,
Asha, which is
Durvasana.
not good. Very good.
Duragati.
Durgati. Duragati, no, Durgati.
How about
Which is wrong. Very
Durvasana?
good. Next one.
Durdasha.
Durdasha. What is dasha?
Fate.
Position.
Position. Okay.
Okay. Durdasha. In a wrong position.
How about Durvasana?
Durvasana, not Durvasana. It is Durvasana. Vasana is smell. Durvasana is a bad smell.
Bad. How about Durvasa?
Huh?
Durvasa.
That is Durvasa.
Durvasa.
Asa is staying. It is Durva is like holy grass. That is Durvasa Maharshi. That is other. That Durvasana is not Durvasana Maharshi. When he comes out, the environment becomes bad smell. No, he is not Durvasana.
But
Understanding
his name-
things which is important.
but
Durva.
his-
Durva is
Durva.
holy grass. Darbha.
Okay.
Durmarga is also like that? Or?
Yeah, wrong path, na? Durmargam.
Durmargam.
A person who is following the Durmargam is called as Durmarga. A girl who is following in Durmargam is called as
Durmargi.
Durmarga or Durmargi.
Durmarga.
If you want to scold anybody, you can do that. Na? You got a new word.
Oh, that's why Sham is looking for.
You are learning Sanskrita, Swami. not to get understood to everybody. Okay.
No, he wants to praise, right? Those words he wants.
Okay. Next one is dus. Dus is also same as dur. Tell me something about dus.
Dushta Chatushtayam.
Dushta. That the word itself is dushta.
Okay, okay.
We have Dushasana is there, but
Okay. Dushasana. Wrong
Dushka-
commanding concept. Wrong commanding person. Okay.
Dushkarma.
Dushkarma, very good. Dushkarma, fantastic. Dussahasam.
Yeah,
Dussahasam. Doing adventure which is wrong.
yeah.
Jumping from mountain without parachute. Next. Dushila.
Yeah.
Bad character.
Bad character.
Like no, dus. Next one is ni. Ni. These two are very important in ni. Down and under. Ni. Nivedana. Nivedana, offering. Nirupana, proving.
Nirmana.
Nirma, other that is different.
Okay.
Nirveda.
That is again you are telling about nir, only ni.
Okay. Only me.
Nivedana, Niveshana, like that.
Nischayam.
Nivrit.
Nishchayam, fantastic.
Nivedita.
Nivedita, fine. Nivedana, Nivedita, fine. That is ni is just down, just giving something under. Next one is nir. Again, this is about can't. Nir. Away. For
Nirnayam.
Nirnayam. Very good. He took a nirnaya. No one can just go beyond that. No one can alter it. It is his decision. Nirnayam.
Niraparadi.
Nir aparadhi. Nir aparadhi. Apa and nir, two upasargas here. Nir.
Nirvasi.
Nirvahana.
Nirva.
Vahana. Bearing. Nirvahana. Nirvahana. Bearing his own shoulders. Dealing.
Nis-
Nirvana will also come in this.
Nirmana. Very good. Nirmana comes under this. Nirmana.
I think he said
Nirvana.
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 Nirvanam. That way. So nir.
Yeah.
Nis.
Nishchaya.
That is away, out, forth. This is completely taking off. Just
Nirgamana.
yeah, that is nirgamana. Nirgamanam is gamanam, nirgamanam, going completely.
Nir and Nis are both same. Huh?
Almost same. You know about nis, na? There are many good words with nis.
Nishkramana.
Nishkramana.
Nishkaranam.
Nish. See here. Nishkramana is going. Nishkramana is completely gone. You can't see
Disappear.
it again.
Nischayam.
Nishchayam
Nishchayam.
also same. Fixed. No alter. No alteration is fixed. Nishchaya.
Niskarana.
Nishkarana. Without any reason. Next.
Nischayam.
Nishchayam done.
Nishabdam.
Nishabdam. Very good. No pin drop. No sound at all. Completely silent. Nishabdam.
Nirmoolam.
Nirmoolam. Very good. With the roots. Along with the roots. If we take out along with the roots, there is no growth at all. Na? So, no, it was taken away. Yeah. Next one is para. Para.
Aropahari.
Para. Para apakaram. Apakaram is doing something wrong. Para apakaram. Doing something wrong to
Paropakari.
others. That is para. Para.
Parampara.
That is that is parampara. Para. That is not
Okay.
parava. Paramapara.
What is it? Parashva? Parashva?
Parashvaha later, na para.
Yeah.
Shvaha
So the
is
same
tomorrow. Parashvaha later tomorrow.
Parashva.
Para is opposite or against, like that. Okay.
Parampara.
Parampara. Okay. Next one.
This para just para or para?
This is para.
Para. Okay.
Yeah, this one we're not getting many words.
Yeah.
Parat parudu. Para.
But is para, right? Para
Yeah.
Shakti.
Para. Parakarma. What
What
belong to others?
Parameshwara?
Paratpara comes into this too.
Yeah, sounds so. Parameshwara, Paratpara. That is Parama and Para. Both are same only. Parakarma, Parakaryam, Paranidra.
So para, pra, are they similar or no?
Pra is previous. Para is later.
Oh,
Pari is around. In Baba Sachar, there is a small discussion about Bhagavad Gita.
Parikrama.
Parikrama. Yeah, Parikrama, very good. Parikrama, what is Parikrama?
Paripurna.
Very good. What is Paripurna?
Okay.
You are not in the meanings. What is Parikrama?
Parikrama.
Moving
Second.
around. Pradakshina.
Oh,
Parikrama is
Pradakshina.
called as Pradakshina. Okay.
Dakshina.
Okay. Parikrama. And the other word you told something?
paripurna.
Paripurna.
Paripurna. What is Purnam?
Full, complete.
Full. What is Paripurnam? Completely full. Next one. What is Pari? Pariprashnena sevaya. There is something in Pariprashnena. What is Pariprashna?
Good question.
What type of good? Like 360 degrees understood. Still there is a doubt. Understood the question completely and asking is called as Pariprashna. Parivesham.
With good
Parigrahana. Parigrahana, taking it completely.
Parichayam.
Parichayam, very good. Selecting completely.
parishrama.
Parishrama, fantastic. Parishrama, complete labor can be seen, complete hard work can be seen there. Paryalochana. Lochana is looking at, alochana, looking at completely. Paryalochana, looking at it completely. Parishechana.
Parivartana is a different meaning.
Yeah, parivartana, fantastic. Parivartana is a change.
Oh,
Pari plus vartana.
why is it?
Parishechana, like sprinkling water everywhere. Parishechana.
Vikshana.
Pariksha. What is pariksha? Why parikshas are conducted?
Test your knowledge around.
Check the student, na pariksha. There'll be pariksha. They'll be questioning you. They'll be testing you completely. It's called pariksha.
5 out of 7 is pariksha.
Swami?
5 out of 7 questions. That cannot be
5 out of
pariksha.
8 or 9.
When education system just deteriorated, Swami, then these things came out. I know a scholar. I don't want to name it. He used to tell to his students, like, don't worry, I wrote the paper. My question paper will come to examinations. Okay. There is a, when you find out the last word as Nadi, that's my paper.
Oh.
Teacher used to tell to students, like, the ending, if you find Nadi, then it is my paper. How? It's a Telugu word, as I'm talking Telugu. Akbar Chakravarti yoka paripalanu parishilunchunadi. శ్రీకృష్ణ దేవరాయల యొక్క ఆస్థాన విద్వాంసుల గురించి తెలుపునది. ఓకే, ఇన్ దట్ వే మొఘలుల యొక్క ఆక్రమణ గురించి వివరించున్నది. What is Vivaranjana? Just express, tell it. So he used to tell, if there is Nadi, it's my paper. You write anything, that's fine, because it comes to the correction to me only. He used to tell like that. So when no student learned that history at all, that's zero in history because of teacher is like that. He never took classes at all. He used to leak the paper. So if you are writing 5 questions among 10, 50% choice we have. If you are reading one textbook, if you are given examination for 10 questions, wherever if you write 5 questions, you'll be passed. Like that is all 35% is pass. If you write 5 questions for 100 marks, the remaining 5 questions are choice. I don't think like what you can read, not required of there is no need of
He
reading.
was a Duracharya.
That is Duracharya. Very good. We can call them. Nothing wrong. There are many like that. Okay. So Pari, Prashna. There was different scholars in our thing. Like, you know how beautiful when they enter into the campus from the gate to the college, it is almost 1 kilometer. We used to go to him. One student used to take his scooter. One student we used to take one box and all. He used to walk very slowly. He used to ask, Babu, tell me what you want. Do you have any doubts? We used to ask some doubt. He used to tell, yeah, it's a very good doubt. You know, the same question asked in that Purana, in that Upanishad. It was explained like this. You know, what is the answer of that sage? He used to create some interesting stories to just enlighten us what our answer of our doubts. There are many great people like that also. So he motivated some hundreds of students in our college. He passed away in a very short time. That's our bad luck. But he was the greatest teacher. There are great, those called as Pracharya. Great teachers. Preceptors. Okay. Okay. Paridan, pra. I know Pracharya. I don't just know na Pra-acharya. These are the preceptors of the teachers. They are countable people among. This Pracharya. Tell me something about Pra.
Pitamaha.
Prapitamaha, like before. Very good. Prapitamaha.
Prachinaha.
Prachina, very good. Next one is there na. Paravara. Paravara. When we have marriages, then we will read Pravara. Who are your forefathers? Chatusara Paryantango Brahmane Beshubam Bhavadu. Gautama Sagotro Bhavasya X or Y or Z Putrasya Shyamasundar Namadesya, even like that.
Prakriti, Swami.
Huh?
Prakriti is like this or no?
Prakriti.
Prakriti.
We just example in the previously we are in PPT. Just I told you pra. This is the first word according to the Panini Sutra. We are coming in alphabetical order.
Okay.
Okay.
Prakriti.
Prakriti. Kriti, which was done before. The work which was done before is Prakriti.
Prapancha.
Prapancha. Very good.
Prasishta.
What is Prapancha?
World.
4, 5.
The world with 5. What are 5?
5
5
elements.
elements.
Ah, 5 elements. Fantastic. Next one. Pravesha. Entering. First, I am the one who entering is Pravesha.
Dhana.
Huh?
Pradhana.
Pradhana. Very good. Important. Seeking importance. First
Prasishta.
importance.
Prasishta is
Huh?
Prasishta.
Yeah, you can tell it, but there is no word Prasishta. Visishta
Okay.
is there.
Pratishta.
Pratishtha done. Tishta is standing. Pratishtha is making him to stand in a great way, importantly. Before.
Oh.
Making him
Prashasta.
to stand before is Pratishtha.
It is a Prashasta word. Prashasta.
Prashasta, like Shasta is important second. Prashasta is famous.
Prabhata.
Prabhata, very good.
Pravruti.
Prabhuti, very good.
Prabhakar.
Prabhakar, yeah. Prabha, Prakrishtaya, Bha, before the light of sun. Usha, Udaya is called Prabhata. Very good.
Pranava.
Pranava, very good. Next one is Prati. So, Mata, you are telling something?
You taught us something about for day before yesterday. What was that?
What I told you?
Today is what? What do you call today?
Oh, that one you're saying.
Oh.
Today is
Yeah.
Adya, Shvaha, Parashvaha.
Okay.
Adya, sorry, Adya, Hyaha, Parahyaha. Adya, Shvaha, Parashvaha, Praparashvaha. Okay, Prati is against. Okay.
Yeah, we have many,
Before
many
and forward,
things.
na?
Yeah, yeah.
Parahyaha,
This is pra.
this is pra. Okay. Prati is against. This is the main word.
Pratikaram.
Pratikaram, very good. Going,
Yeah.
doing something which is opposite to others. Generally, we can see in wife and husbands. I'll go this side. No, I'll go this side. I want to eat this curry today. No, we'll eat this curry today. So let us do this. No, we'll do that. Let us decoration be here. No, I don't like it. Let us decoration be this side.
You just say it opposite first so that you'll get what you want.
that is logically thinking and just great gentleman's work. We are not gentlemen. Okay. Pratikaram, very good. Next one, pratikriya, doing something which is opposite to the work.
Pratigna.
Pratigamanam, what is pratigamanam?
Reverse.
Going against to some person who is coming. King used to come, just get up from the throne, come towards the sage if he is in the entrance. It's pratigamana.
Pratinithi.
He used to go. He used to go towards. The second is towards pratigamana.
Pratikaram.
Pratikaram, just doing something for the deed. Someone helped you or someone did something wrong to you, doing the same to him is called as pratikaram, doing the same.
Oh, I see. That's different.
That's different. Pratikaram. It comes in negative way. Pratigamana is going towards.
What is pratikatana? Pratikatana is.
Ghatana is a situation. Pratighatana, facing the situation, going towards the situation, going towards the hardship. Hardship is called pratighatana.
Against, basically.
Against, going against it. Next.
The word Pratinidhi.
Pratinidhi. Yeah, very good. Who stands before Pratinidhi? A leader who stands before Pratinidhi.
Pratinidhi is a representative.
That's okay. Who is standing before? Yeah. Next one.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Kaifa halak Mr. Umar Badrani?
Anyone talking, Swami? Anyone just having a query?
Aywa, maafi mushkil.
The audio is not clear. Whoever
Yeah,
is.
that's what. Okay, next one is we.
Aywa.
We is special.
Yeah.
There are
maybe
two things
we-
to understand. One is special, called Vishishta. The second is left, Visrushta. Okay, Visrushta is left. Okay, left is avoid. Two different meanings. Two opposite meanings can be seen.
ممكن يجي ممكن ما يجي يعني.
Hey, can you stop talking, whoever it is, or mute yourself, please? Please.
لا 15 ابريل سوي يعني 15 مارس سوي بعدين انا اتكلم.
Maybe can we mute him somehow, Shyam?
Okay, just I'm doing it.
Looks like he doesn't realize that.
Okay.
اول كم هذا متى هذا اول هذا؟
It's an Arabic language.
Yeah. I am not able to find his name. So, okay, I did it. So, V is Visishta or Visrushta. Shall we something about V? Vishishta, Vishesha Srishta, Vishesha. Okay. Next one.
Vikraya.
Vikrama, Vishesha Krama,
Vivarana.
Visheshena Akramana, Vikramana. Just Vishesham,
Vivarana.
specially. Next one.
Vivarana.
Visheshataya Varana, Vivarana. Very good. Next one.
No, vibhakti also comes like this.
Visheshataya, yeah. Visheshataya Bhajana, Vibhajana, same Vibhakti.
Vikruti.
Visheshataya, Visheshataya Kriti, Vikriti, Visrishta Kriti, Vikriti. Two things are there. Okay. And one is Vishesha. Vishesha is special.
Vilakshana.
Okay. Next one is Visrushta. Visrushta is not expecting or negative.
I see.
So this is our perception. Okay.
There are two
Vishesha kriti, vikriti. We can tell that, but there are less number of meanings for that. But Visrushta kriti, not acceptable kriti, is vikriti. What is prakriti?
Good.
The thing which is done before and which is good. What is vikriti? Which is a calamity and which is not accepted and interested by people. Vikriti.
Negative.
Negative. So
Viveka.
Viveka. Very good. It's a positive. Visheshataya vijnana yuta. Next one.
Vijnana.
Vijnana. Vishesha jnana. Vijnana.
Vilakshana, Swamiji.
Swami.
Vilakshana.
Vishesha. Vilakshana. Yeah. Vishesha lakshana. Vilakshana. Vilakshana not to do. And the other vilakshana, what is the vilakshana? Visrishta lakshana.
Oh, the two meanings.
Two meanings. So generally, special thing is there. In negative concept, negative perception, we use this. Udaharana, vivastra. What is the meaning of vivastra? In all our poems, vivastra means without, visrushta vastra. Parameshwara is vivastraha. Visrushta vastraha. He is also called as specially Digambaraha. What is Digambara?
Naked.
Vivastra.
Without clothes.
Pardon me?
Vivastra.
What is the meaning of Digambara?
Naked.
No.
No clothes.
Directions or the cloth. Person who has cloth which are directions only. All the directions are cloth around him. That's why he called Digambara. Dik ambaram, ambaram vastram. Dik ambaram yasya saha digambara. So we are not finding it negative. We are finding it in a positive way. We are looking at it in a positive way. Digambara. Like Draupadi, Vivastra. Vivastra is Visrishta Vastra, like left off. No, Vishesha Vastra also can be taught. But in a positive manner, Vishesham. Negative manner, Visrishta. Okay. Next one, anything about V?
Virupakshi.
Vishesha Rupa Akshi. Virupakshi. Vishesha Rupa Akshi. Remember, V is Vishesha. Next one.
Vishwasha.
Huh?
Vishwasha.
Vishesha Shwasa, Vishwasa. Very good. Vishesha Ashwasa. Vishesha Asha. Vi Asha. Vyasha. Vishwasa. Vishesha Shwasa. Okay. Is it positive?
Vibhushana.
Huh?
Vibhushana.
Visheshaya Bhushana. Very good. Vishesha Bhushana. Vibhushana. Very good. Vishesha Vastra. Vivastra. Next one.
Vikraya is
Vishesha Kraya. Vikraya. Very good.
Vishalakshi.
Vishala. Vishala.
That's
Lakshya.
That's a word. It's in Vishala.
Okay.
Vishesha, Shala. Okay. Vishala. Vishala is wide. The word. It's a word. Okay. Next
The
one.
word vikara.
Visheshadaya Karam. Vikaram. Why we are feeling this as why we got hatred? Because he's doing something which is not interesting.
Negative.
Visrishta Karyam. He's not doing in a proper way. That is Vikara.
what's the Vinila? Vinila Akash.
Vishesha Neela. It's a bluish in color, but I can't tell that it's blue. It is
Special
something good than blue. It's Vishesham than blue. That's Vishesha Neelam.
Vibhishana.
Visheshataya Bhishana. A person who can terrify more than terrific.
Vikriti.
Vikriti, Vishesha Kriti, Visrishta Kriti in negative manner. Okay.
Vidhi.
Vidhi is a word, Swami.
Okay.
Visheshadhi, okay, you can tell Vidhi. A person who got good mind, okay. You can. Next is Sam.
Sam or Sam?
Some. Some.
Yeah, in this time zone it is Sam, in that time zone it's Sam.
Some. What is some? With
Samasya.
along, conjoined.
Something.
Okay, something.
Addition together.
Addition, okay. Tell me some words in Sanskritam. You know many
Samasam,
words.
Samasam, Samasya,
Samasa.
Samikarana.
Huh?
I don't know, Samikarana.
Samskruti.
Iksha, Samskriti,
Sambandham.
Jnanam.
Sambandham.
Sambandha,
Sambodhana.
Sammohana. Very good. What is Mohanam?
Attraction.
Mesmerizing.
Salakshana.
Sammohana. Mesmerizing in a very beautiful way. Next.
Salakshana.
Geetam.
Samarohana.
Arohana. Very good.
Samsaram.
Samsaram. I think she went along in samsaram. Mata went long in samsaram. So she. Samskara. Very good. Kara, doing something in a beautiful way.
Sampratati.
Swami?
Sampratati.
Sampradati or Sampradaya.
Sampradaya.
Sampradadati, the word is not there. Sampradati.
Acharya ji.
So when we do the Sankalpa, we do Sampratati, Namama, something like that, right?
Sampradade.
Sampratate, okay.
Sampradade. Sampradade Namama.
What does that mean?
Samskrita. Swami, someone is talking?
What does that mean, Sampratate?
Sampradate, giving it in a very good manner. Na mama, whatever the product I am giving it to you, it is good one. I am giving in a very good manner, which is not mine. When you feel it is mine, you don't want to give. If you want to give, which is good one, if it is not yours. We should feel like I want to just donate you this thing in a good way, which is useful for you. Let's take it. Sampradate, giving it in a good way, with a good intention, which is not mine. I'm giving it to you. It means it is not mine. I don't have any asha on it. I don't have any interest on it. So I want you to utilize it completely. Tell that. If we give our card to someone, we don't say namama. Please give it back in a safe way, safe condition. We tell like, if someone like in India, back in India, we just ladies will share ornaments. This is fantastic. You just wear for some time and give it to me. It is not sampradade namama. It is not namama. They'll give it for you again. They'll take back. But in donations, if you give something which it is not yours, once if it is you are giving to someone, should forget about it. Should not have any asha and interest in it. So that's why namama. It's not mine.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, Geetam, Samskara, Sambhashana. What is Sambhashana?
Good.
Talking nicely.
Conversation.
Sambhashana.
Samyamanam.
Samyamanam. Very good. Yamana. Yama means patience. Samyamana, having good patience. Someone will have patience, but they are burning inside. They want to do something, but they can't do. That is also Samyamana. No. This maintaining peace, patience inside is Samyamana. Next one is Su. Su is also almost same, almost good, excellent, well. Su. Tell me something, Su.
Suyodhana.
Suyodhana, okay. That's the thing, okay. Next one.
Swagatam.
Okay. Swagatam is a good thing. Su Agatam.
Suvasana.
No. Su Agatam is only one thing. Su plus Agatam. This is the right thing actually. But what we are doing, we are adding additional Su.
Right, so
Su.
Swagatam. Yes, yeah, we talked about
Su Agatam. Good morning. Very good morning. What is difference?
Good morning.
Good morning. So instead of good morning, we are telling very good morning. Good morning is fine. What is use of very again?
like danger apayam.
Swami? Like?
Danger apayam.
Danger apayam. Okay. Suswagatam. Next one.
Suprabhata.
Suprabhata. Very good.
Suvarna.
Suvarnam. Varnam is color. Very good. Suvarna. Good color. Very good.
Sulakshana.
Sulakshana. Very good. Good with good characters. Next one.
Sulochana.
Sulochana. Very good. With good eyes.
Suvasana.
Very good. Suvasana with good. Okay. Durvasa completed. Now Suvasa came. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
a lot of shoes, I think.
Yeah.
I got some words for me.
Sumati.
Sumati is a good word.
Mangali.
Sheila.
Sushila, very good.
Sumedha.
Sumedha,
Suvarna.
okay. All this Su starts with Su is good.
Sukumar.
Kumar, very good. I got
Suresh.
some English word yesterday which is like exactly I found like, okay, same. To reject, to neglect, there's a word starts with ed. I forgot. It started with adhi, ad, which exactly the same meaning in Sanskrit and same meaning in English. I'll tell again. I forgot. So these are what we can say. Upasargas. These
22
are
of them.
Upasargas, 22. So these are the just simpler way. Ayo. This is the simplest way to tell, like para, more before higher, para, opposite against, apa, away or separated, some, with, full, anu, after, behind, along. So this is good, I found. Just to explain, I just bought more things. Okay. So,
Swamiji.
Swami, tell me, now you tell me today, who taught Sanskrit to me or you? How many more words you told me than mine? So Sanskrit is in our blood, but in the name of, in other name, maybe in the name of Kannada, in the name of Tamil, Hindi, Gujarati, English, we find the same dhatus, same vibhakti concept, same prefix concept, same, these are, everything is there. So you people told me many upasarga related dhatus today than me. So hope you identify what actually upasargas are. Next time I think you will be understanding the words and its meanings easily, and adding upasarga, and you can just separate it. Once if you separate it, yes, you are knowledgeable. Okay, so now tell me, what is suswagatam? How to differentiate suswagatam?
Suswagatam.
Agatam. Su plus agatam, swagatam. Su plus agatam, suswagatam.
Yeah.
My teacher told me suswagatam is the wrong word, it seems. You should not use it. Swagatam is enough. The same meaning comes. Why charvita charvana? Repeating again, su. Not required.
They will also say Savinayam ga Suswagatam. So they add a su, double sus.
Savinayam is fine. With Vinayam. Suswagatam. Su agatam. Okay. So happy to talk to you today on a very good topic, Swami. So thank you very much. Let us practice these upasargas in any language. Just give me some English examples if you find any. Going on days, just type me in Sanskrita Bodha if you find any English related words with upasargas as same as Sanskrita. Okay. So today we started some other class every Sunday, like that's called Bala Bodhini.
How did you start it?
Yeah, today we started for children below 15 years. Yes, we are just talking.
How many were there?
Like today, I think 5 people are there. 5 people join.
Okay.
Maybe they'll continue, but few may add also.
So this is to teach Sanskrit?
No. Just to teach about Indian culture, heritage, morals, small Panchatantra stories.
Okay.
And somewhat to ignite something in their brain about Indian traditions and culture.
Okay, it'll be in English or like
English only.
Okay.
So below age 15, we start Bala Bodhini. There is Sanskrita Bodha class, and that is Bala Bodhini to children. We started today.
Can we share the number to any person who is interested?
Yeah, you can. I'll send the link in the group. If anyone joins, that's for only half an hour for children. Just we'll talk to each other. We'll have some doubts and discussions, and I'll teach something new. Today I just started about Omkara. What is Om, and how it is there, and why we use it in daily practice. That's what. That's simple. Because if we talk about those people are very small minds, they can't get everything like great concepts. They can't know pronunciation also. They don't do pronunciation properly. So slowly I want to inject it. So we started today. Little excited, happy.
Very good.
So thank you very much, Swami. Have a nice day to all. Just keep safe, stay healthy. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Punarmilama.
Dhanyavada.